Today is the National Shiba Inu Reconciliation Day. Now that they've recovered, Shiba Inu are fetching a premium price. A celebration is underway. A big event is coming up soon, and Blackrock has announced it. Now we get to the strange part. Shiba Inus might be the culprit. The price of Shiba Inus can go up significantly as a result of this. I don't understand. Why am I even bringing this up? I will explain it more clearly. Your daily dose of Shiba wealthy coin is here. If Shiba is something that piques your interest, you have come to the right place. Stay ahead of the curve in the cryptocurrency business and get the scoop on all the newest news predictions by subscribing. Click the like button to receive more SHIB news. Everyone in the Shiba Inu community is enjoying a great day. The seemingly endless struggle is now over. The price just won't budge. It is actually going up. Considering how things were only a few days ago, it's a big improvement, even though it's not a large one. For a while, it seemed that Shiba Inus were stuck in a trend of declining daily activity. Concerned about the future of their investments and the society at large, many were asking when the trend will turn around. However, the tables have turned now. Just in the past 2 days, a lot has changed. Instead of continuing its downward trend, the price of Shiba Inus has started to rise steadily. Something is changing, even if it doesn't seem like much, when a cryptocurrency refuses to decline after days of difficulty. Oh, and it is exactly happening right now second. After recently being paralyzed by fear and uncertainty, the market is starting to show signs of recovery. And self-assurance is starting to make an appearance again. Investors who were wary before are now getting comfortable placing trades as the extreme volatility seems to have diminished, at least temporarily. When you take a step back and look at the big picture, things become much more interesting. Shiba Inu are showing signs of significant improvement in their stability if you observe their performance over the past week. Traders who have been witnessing the stock's daily drop can breathe a sigh of relief. One facet of stability in the Bitcoin sector is maintaining value. Giving the community time to heal is another. Concern and uncertainty arise when market volatility is constant. But as things start to even out, it lays the groundwork for growth. Beyond the numbers on the charts, there is more to this shift. From a psychological standpoint, the entire Shiba Inu community reaps the rewards. A new optimism has taken root. When the price stops falling and starts to go up, it shows that buyers are becoming more confident as they enter the market, which could mean that selling pressure is finally diminishing. In the realm of cryptocurrencies, anything is possible, of course. Nevertheless, signs of market strength have just emerged. What happens next is now being watched by everyone. Can we expect the recently acquired stability to persist? Does it have the potential to blossom into something substantial? How long this slowdown lasts and whether it signals a new upward trend will become clear in the days ahead. But today, I can say with certainty that, once again, there is reason for Shiba Inu owners to rejoice. What follows is the best part. You can't expect this pump to last a day like the others. An authority on the subject has stated that this change will allow Shiba Inus to reach new heights. More than just a minor triumph, it is. It may be a harbinger of something far bigger that is about to happen. After that, it broke free of a stubborn downward trend that had been limiting its movement. Once it cleared that hurdle, it went back to the very same level to try it again. And instead of falling again, it stayed put. That was the turning point. As purchasers regained control, the intense selling pressure that had been dragging it down started to subside. There's more, though. Also, Marx noticed something called a hidden bullish divergence. It's a technical indicator that usually shows signs of a big upswing before it actually happens. Based on this setup, he also predicts a massive price increase, possibly exceeding 4 times its current worth. It would be extremely beneficial for the entire Shiba Inu community, not just the investors. Marx is positive that despite the market's volatility, the picture is still favorable in the long run. He predicts that the Shiba Inu population would keep growing well beyond 2025 if current trends persist. The present trend represents more than just a tiny recovery, if his prediction is true. Something much bigger might be brewing underneath. On the other hand, you might still be wondering what the hell is going on here. I don't understand why the pricing is changing. Can you tell us what's happening behind the scenes that we don't know about? We need to take a step back and look at the bigger picture now. For the simple reason that the whole cryptocurrency market is based on Bitcoin. At this very time, Bitcoin is seeing yet another explosion. Just a few days ago, it appeared to have entered a danger zone, which caused people to feel apprehensive. But now it's back up and running, hitting new heights like nothing ever happened. It seems like Bitcoin instantly recovered after pressing the refresh icon. And now things are about to get even more out of hand because Blackrock, the biggest asset manager in the world, has just dropped some bombshells about Bitcoin. The market also takes Blackrock's comments seriously. What transpired was this. According to Blackrock, its Bitcoin ETF is now part of several of their investment strategies. If you're still not sure, here's why it matters. The fact that BlackRock manages such massive quantities of money suggests that they are on board with Bitcoin when they allocate even a small percentage of their holdings to the cryptocurrency. They treat it more like a treasure than a transaction, showing that they value it for what it is, a lasting connection. To sum up, Bitcoin is experiencing meteoric rise. Key players are becoming involved, and market excitement is skyrocketing because of it. Meanwhile, did you hear? That style is also being adopted by Shiba Inu. But here is the catch. Everyone is ecstatic with BlackRock's Bitcoin investment, yet even a single expert has noticed something. And BlackRock has been selling, and it's been a lot. Just this week, they were able to sell Bitcoin valued over $1 billion. After all this advertising, do they have any insider information that we don't? Does this matter in any meaningful way? So that's the main concern. No giant like BlackRock ever makes a haphazard move. Their speculations are more than that. Every action has a predetermined strategy. Some people's belief that they are merely capitalizing on Bitcoin's recent spike is quite understandable. But some see this as an indication that something bigger is happening behind the scenes. Or they might be bracing for some temporary upheaval before a bigger transition later on. When a large company makes multiple purchases and sales at once, it usually causes a stir in the market. For reasons that may be very important to Shiba Inu, let me explain. Massive monetary transactions in Bitcoin impact the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. BlackRock maintains its long-term belief that Bitcoin